Good morning students. I hope everyone is doing great at your homes. Yesterday we did addition. Today we are going to learn about subtraction. First of all, in the level 1 we are going to learn about this basic subtraction. As you all can see, 5 minus 3. Children, you can use your fingers to subtract this, or else we can do it by drawing the lines. See, first of all we will draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we should have to cut minus 3, which means we should have to cut 3 lines over here. 1, 2, 3. How many lines are remaining? Count it now. 1, 2. Yes. Now the answer is 2. Moving on to the next question. In this 21 minus 0. Okay, always you should have to start from the right number. 1 minus 0. First we will draw one line. 0 in the sense we should not cancel any number. How many lines are remaining? 1. Yeah, we should have to write 1. We don't have any number here, so we will write 2 over here. Now moving on to next question. Instead of drawing any lines, you can use your fingers to subtract. You can take 6 fingers and you should have to 6. Now all the fingers are being closed. Now the answer is 0. Again, you should have to take 6 fingers. In that you should have to close all those 6 fingers. If you close all those 6 fingers, there will be no finger remaining, so the answer will be 0. Now we all know that 66 minus 66 is 0. Moving on to the next question. Students, you should have to keep one important thing in your mind. When we are subtracting the numbers with the 2 digits, with this kind of 2 digits or 3 digits, always you should have to start from the right place. Always we should have to subtract the numbers from the right place. You should never start from the left side. Okay. First, now we will take 4 fingers. In that you should have to close 2 fingers. How many fingers are remaining? Yes, it is 2. Now take 2 fingers. In that if you close 1 finger, the answer will be 1. Yes. Now take 5 fingers. In that you can close 3 fingers. The remaining fingers are 2. Yes. Now we have completed the level 1, which is the basic subtractions. Now moving on to the level 2. In this, children, you can see 93 minus 55. Okay. As I have said you before, always we should have to subtract from the right place, which is 3 minus 5. Now what I will do? 3 minus 5 in 3 fingers. I can't able to remove 5 fingers. So 5 minus 3, which is 2. Next, 9 minus 5. Take 9 fingers. In that you can remove 5 fingers. How many fingers are remaining? Yes, it is 4. Yes, we have got the answer 42. Is it correct? No, this one is wrong. Do you know why this sum is wrong? See children, when we can't able to remove 3 minus 5 in subtraction, we should have to borrow from 9. When you borrow from this 9, it will be 13, and this 9 when it has given 1 to its friend, and it will become 8. Now 13 minus 5. Now it is possible to subtract from 13. We can easily remove 5. If we remove 5, how many it will be remaining? 8. Yes, 8. Now 8 minus 5. In 8, if we remove 5 fingers, how many fingers will be remaining? Yes, it will be 3. Yes, the correct answer will be 38, not 42. Moving on to the next question. 532 minus 219. Always, we all know that we should always have to start from the right place. So, in 2 fingers, can we able to remove 9 fingers? Yes, we can't able to remove. So, what we will do? We should have to borrow from the next integer. Okay. So, what I will do? I have taken. So, it will be 12 and it will be 4. Now 12 minus 9 is, yes, it is 3. Now 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Yes, is it correct? Yes, very good. It is not correct. Do you know why it is wrong? See, when I am taking borrow, always you should have to keep in your mind that you should have to take borrow from the next integer, not from this integer. Now I will take borrow from here and it will be 12 and this will be 2. Now you should have to remove 9 fingers in this 12 fingers. 12 minus 9 is 3. Now 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is, yes, it is 1. Next, moving on to the next number, that is 5 minus 2. That is 3. Yes, this will be the correct answer. Now moving on to the next question, that is 703 minus 145. Now what I will do, 3 minus 5. We all know that it's not possible to subtract from 3. So what I will do, I'll take borrow. But here it is 0. It's not possible. So I'll take from 7. And it will be 13 and this will be 6. If we do like this, it will be wrong. Let us learn the right way of solving it. 3 minus 5, it's not possible to subtract. So we will take borrow here from 0. It's not possible to take borrow from 0. So we are taking borrow from 7 over here. When 7, when it's give borrow to this, it will become 6 and it will be 10. Now 10, from this 10 we have to take borrow from 10 to 3. It will be 9 now. It will be 13. Now you can able to solve it easily. 13 minus 5. You can subtract it now. 13 minus 5 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 6 minus 1 is 5. So the answer will be 558. Now moving on to the next question. Here you can see 1000 minus 999. Okay, it will be very easy to solve. First of all, we are going to start from the right place. 0, we don't have any number here, so it will be 0. Now 0 minus 9, I can't remove 0, so I should have to borrow from my friend. But here it is 0. So this 0 has to take borrow from this 1 first. Okay, when we take borrow, it will be 0 and this will be 10. This 10 has to give 1 to its friend and it will be 10 now and this will become 9. Now 10 minus 9 is 1 and 9 minus 9 is 0 and 0 minus 9, can it be correct? No. The thing is the question is wrong, because already I have said you always the numbers has to be start from the right place. But here look at this question. The question has been started from the left place. So you should be careful before doing the answer. You should be careful whether the question has been placed correct or wrong. We should have to see how many digits they have given, and the digits has to be placed always from the right place. Now you can see in this they have given 1000 and minus 999. This is the correct question, because here 999 has been started from the right place. Now we will solve this. 0 minus 9, it's not possible, so I will take borrow from the next integer. Again here it is 0. It's not possible to give 1 to its friend. Again it will take borrow from the next one. It is also 0. And next, moving on to the next number, it is 9. Yes, when it gives borrow here, it will become 0 and it will be 10. Next, this 10 is going to give 1 to its friend. Always you should have to keep in your mind, the most of the mistakes will be like this. 1000 minus 999. Usually you will take borrow from here, it will be 0, this will be 10, this will be 10 and this will be 10. This will be wrong. When it is giving to its friend, it will become 9 and this will become 10. Again this has to be given to its friend, it will be 9 and this will be 10. Now 10 minus 9, we can easily subtract it. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 9 is 0. Again 9 minus 9 is 0. This 0 you can place it, or else this will be the correct answer. Students, in this video we have learned how to subtract the integers, but can we subtract with the decimals? Can it be possible to do the subtraction with the decimals? Can it be possible with the fractions? Can it be possible with the mixed fractions? Yes, it is possible. Let's see this in the next video. Thank you.